In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Conversations inbox in HubSpot. The Conversations inbox is the shared space where your team can manage messages from customers in one place. It keeps emails, live chats, and other channels organized so nothing slips through the cracks. We're going to create the inbox itself and leave channel connections for later, which is perfect if you're still deciding what to plug in. Start on your HubSpot dashboard. This is your home base, where you can access all tools and settings. From here, click the settings icon, the small gear usually found in the upper navigation. This opens your account settings, where all the configuration options live. In the left sidebar of the settings panel, look for Inbox and Help Desk. This section contains everything related to team communication and ticketing. Click it to open the messaging options. Next, select Inboxes. This shows any existing shared inboxes and is where you'll create new ones. Now, find the Actions menu, typically in the upper right of the Inboxes page. Click Actions, then choose Create New Inbox. This launches a guided setup to define your new shared space. You'll be asked to name the inbox. Type a clear, descriptive name that your team will immediately recognize, like Support, North America, or Sales Inquiries. A good naming convention helps avoid confusion later, especially if you plan to set up multiple inboxes for different teams or regions. Keep it short but specific so it fits well across views. After entering the name, click Next. HubSpot will move you to the Channel Connection screen. For this setup, choose Connect a Channel Later. This creates the inbox container without linking email, chat, or other sources just yet. It's a smart approach if you need approvals, want to finalize routing rules, or plan to coordinate with your IT team on authentication. You can return at any time to connect channels like a team email or live chat from the same inboxes area. At this point, your new Conversations inbox is created. You'll see it listed on the inboxes page, ready for further configuration when you're ready. If you don't see the options mentioned, you may need additional permissions in HubSpot. Reaching out to your account admin can resolve that quickly. That's it. Your shared Conversations inbox is set up and waiting for channels and team workflows. In future steps, you can assign users, define routing, and connect your communication channels. For now, you have the foundation in place to centralize customer messages and collaborate efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along in your own account.